Hi everybody, Salimah, yoga therapist, and we're broadcasting live from YogaVision studio. Today I'd like to introduce you to a whole other topic. You know us best for information and practice on yoga and meditation, and today I'd like to introduce you to the topic of plant medicine. Plant medicine is the realm of medicines that we can take in from the natural world. And so this includes anything from the fruits and vegetables that we eat to natural supplements that are based on plants, teas, salves, balms, oils, tinctures, and also herbs, dry herbs or fresh herbs. All of that falls into this range of plant medicine. You are what you eat and you are what you take in. And part of how we operate in the natural world is to have a back and forth, an interaction and a relationship with not only who we are and how we show up, but also how we breathe, how we move, and what we think about. And did you know that plants have an impact there? And in particular, the impact that I'd like to talk to you about today is cannabis. So there are two strains of cannabis, two forms that have been most popularized in the media recently. One is THC. THC is the type of plant medicine that is more psychoactive, which means it'll involve your brain, it'll change your brain patterns, and it will alter how you feel and perceive the world. So that's THC. We're not talking about that today. We're going to focus now on the plant medicine of cannabis called CBD. And this is a much milder form. It's non-psychoactive, and it's a form of plant medicine, cannabis, that allows us to feel a little bit more calm, a little bit more relaxed, without really fully changing our mood patterns or our thinking patterns. And so in this way, it becomes a very safe and effective way to treat very common things like anxiety, insomnia, or even pain. And those are the three top reasons why people come to this page anyway. Did you know that most people turn to meditation for those same reasons? And so what I've seen here at my studio is that for a lot of people, because they have pain, anxiety, or insomnia, meditation becomes very challenging, or even yoga for that matter. So what we've discovered is the use of CBD, which again is the non-psychoactive and calming effect of the plant medicine called cannabis, is a really great addition. In other words, if you're feeling anxious, it's hard to sit still. It's hard to calm and sit with your breath. But if you take a little bit of CBD before you sit for meditation, you have this calming effect. You have an ability to catch your breath and to sit with yourself in a way that may not have been possible before. So not only is it great for meditation, but it's also great for treating anxiety. So I wanted to put a little bit of information out there in the world in terms of how you can use this medicine. It comes in many different forms. One is an oil that you will drop in under your tongue. Another is a cream if you have pain, so topical cream. And the third is to either take a vaporizer, which is to inhale and quickly get the effect of CBD in a treatment form that is taken through inhalation. So we'll talk a little bit more about that over the coming weeks. But I wanted to warm you up to this topic so that you have a sense that there is possibility. There are benefits that are natural, that are progressive, non-pharmaceutical, and that can actually help you feel better in your day-to-day life. And I'm telling you this as a user of CBD. I've been exploring with this medicine for the past year or so and found it to be a really great enhancement to my meditation practice, and also a great way to calm down my nerves if in particular having a flustered kind of day. So one last thing I'd like to leave you with is that yoga and cannabis come from the same part of the world. They actually have originated, born, raised, and activated in the same part of the world, and that is India. So that's no mistake, that's no coincidence. And so over the course of the next few weeks, let's talk a little bit more about how those things come together and how they can complement each other and how you can feel better as a result. I have a trusted source that I go to on a regular, and you'll find click this link in the description below, and you can find out a little bit more about that product and see if it fits for you. Sat Nam.